Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what these are some hand soap. And for the one that we got right here, we basically have the hand soap option right here. And then we have two of these refill bottles right here. And for both of these products right here, they actually have it in many different like scent and also different options as well. In terms of whether or not you guys want like 1-pack or 2-pack or 3-packs, that is up to you guys, but they definitely have different options available. Previously, I tested another scent before, and that was the basil scent, and that one smells really good. But I heard a lot of good things about this scent right here, which is a rainwater scent. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright. So right here we have the actual hand soap option right here. If you can see, this is basically what the product looks like right here. So like I mentioned earlier, I did get like the basil scent, and that one smells really good. But this one right here is the rainwater scent, and this one actually has a container option. In the previous video, I tested the basil scent, and I used my automatic soap dispenser. And I feel like that one wasn't like super convenient for me to actually use it because it dispensed too much soap. That's why I decided to go for the bottle option, so that way I can control how much soap to actually come out and don't waste so much soap. But you see, this is basically what the packaging looks like right here, and they tell you guys what they use on here, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the bottle looks like right here. Let me actually open the refill option as well and show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so then both of them are the same thing. I'm just gonna take out one of them. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it's really cool how they provide guys a handle option here, so that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to refill your soap. And when you guys open up the lid right here, they do have an easy pour option right here, so that way you guys don't have to worry about spilling anything on here. But if you guys want to open up this part right here to refill it, you definitely can as well. But you see it's all sealed up, so that way you guys know it's brand new. But basically everything in terms of the product right here is the same thing. So they have like the same scent, the same ingredients and everything. But like I mentioned, if you guys want to get like the other scent, they do have a lot of other ones available. So obviously I cannot use the refill bottle yet until I finish using this one right here. And for this bottle right here, it can carry up to 12.5 fluid ounce. And in the refill bottle right here, it carries 33 fluid ounce. So you can definitely refill it up to 3 times using the refill bottle right here. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually go test this out and show you guys how it works, and also describe how it feels and also what it actually smells like first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the hand soap. Let me actually open it up and test it out. So you basically want to turn it this way to open it up. And you can see how it pops out. So you basically can start using it. So just squeeze a little bit. Alright, so once we use it, you can definitely see this is what the texture looks like. And once you guys dispense the soap out, you can definitely smell the scent on here, or the rainwater scent on here. It smells really nice. So I tested the basil one, and that one smells really nice, but I feel like this one actually smells a lot better than the basil one. And once you finish using it, it definitely feels really nice. I definitely feel like my hands really clean after using it, which is pretty nice. But for those of you guys who are curious about what the basil one looks like, this is basically what it looks like right here. So when you guys actually use the basil one right here, it doesn't really smell like fully basil, but it definitely has like a really nice scent to it. But like I mentioned, the rainwater that we have right here actually smells a lot better than this one right here. So if you guys want to use this one right here for this bottle right here, you definitely want to finish using it first and then rinse the inside before you guys use a different scent. But that is basically how you guys use both of these products right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product. Definitely see that actually does work, actually works quite well. Super easy to actually use the product. All you need to do is open up the actual pump and just start pumping soap out of the actual product. But definitely once you guys start using the product, you can definitely smell that like really strong scent coming out. It actually smells really nice. I think if I compare this to like the basil scent, I actually prefer this one a lot more than the basil scent, because this one actually smells a lot better to my preference. But like I mentioned, if you guys like the other scent, they do have a lot of other ones available as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But honestly, I feel like regardless of which one you guys get, they all work really well in terms of like cleaning your hand, and also give you guys a really nice scent as well after you guys finish using it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality hand soap to use at home, in the office, or even for your restaurant. You could basically use it anywhere to actually clean your hand, and also to give you guys that very nice scent as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.